You know, when I'm busting out my mandolin, it's time to make another cucumber salad. This one is gonna be a Greek version. Remember these containers that I showed you previously? And I used to throw away 3 or 4 cucumbers every week. They were always slimy. They're not. I've had these for a week. They're dry, they're crispy. These things are awesome. So I sliced up a couple of Persian cucumbers on my mandolin. I got some cherry tomatoes from my garden that I grew in my lettuce grow that I just sliced in half. I'm gonna put those in. A glug, an official glug of some good olive oil. Add a splash of red wine vinegar. Use whatever vinegar you like, but I like red wine vinegar in the Greek version. I'm gonna add some M-salt, which is just salt and pepper and garlic mixed together. I'm gonna crumble up some feta. I like lots of feta. Last but not least, I'm gonna add a little bit of oregano. I'm using dried, but you could also use fresh. Let go. Follow Grown Up Dish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings. Perfect.